Hello and welcome everyone. Once again, I'm here with another episode of Bits and Bytes with Neha. So, this is episode 6 in this series, and I'm really grateful to all of you for attending my previous live sessions. Yes? All right, so let's begin today's episode. Today we have a very, I would not say very frequently cause problem to understand what would be the best solution in that situation. But many of us actually face this situation, so therefore this episode is about that problem. Okay, so what is the topic of today's episode? App crash fixing. Okay, so today we are going to talk about applications and their like hang problem and how to fix them. So before I start, let me see who all are there watching this session with me and here ready to interact with me. Let me see. Yes, so if you are here and watching this Bits and Bytes with Neha live, please type live in the comments, and if you are watching the replay of this session, please type replay in the comments. Yes, let me welcome everyone who all are there. Yes, I can see few numbers are increasing. Thank you so much for coming to this series and attending this live. Please stay till the end so you will understand that what is this topic all about. Okay, so I'll start with my introduction. My name is Neha Garg and I am a digital skills coach for women entrepreneurs, helping them to raise their confidence in handling digital platforms and technology to run their business independently. So this is about me. Now let's talk about the topic which we are going to cover today. So the topic is app crash problem. Now, how do you observe that you are having these kind of problems in your life? So see your mobile and see that whatever application you have, either your social media application, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, anything, or other app uh, like Impact app, something like Spotify, or um, what is called Snapchat or WhatsApp, or any kind of gaming app like Candy Crush or um, Telegram, or whatever app you have in your phone. If you find this, whenever you use these application take a lot of time to actually function. So this is one way of observing that having this are you observing this situation in day to day life with your application or not. Okay, the second thing is whenever you give something as an input, like in your WhatsApp you put a message or forwarding a message, and it is taking time, and sometimes that app hangs and it closes automatically by itself, or some other application which hang at this level where you need to switch off your phone and you need to switch it on again. And another way to observe this situation is like uh, errors they are providing. So if you are using an application and while using that application you are getting some errors like something went wrong, we cannot process this request, please wait for some time. All of these are signals that your application is actually having the crash problem and you need to fix them. Now how to fix them? So I'm not going to tell you something like in a way where things you cannot do by yourself. I'm going to give you three possible solutions which you can apply by yourself and then see if it works for you. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes, if you are ready, type ready in the comments. Okay, all right. Thank you so much for the responses. Yes, all right. Okay, so the first for possible solution. Sorry, so the first possible solution in this situation is whatever application you are facing that application is hanging, you need to go to that particular space from where you have downloaded that app. So if you are using a android phone and an android phone, then you can go to Play Store and click that problematic application, and then up to date, that means they will give a feature to update the application. Sometimes it is automatically updated because of the default feature, but sometimes you need to manually update them. Why you need to update them? Because every application developer team always works for fixing the bugs and improving the performance of that application. So if you are facing the issue that or if you are not seeing the new feature installed and they are not coming on or your particular application, in that case also you need to up that particular application to see the things happening on your application. Okay, so this is the first possible solution which you need to apply if in this situation. What will be the second one? The second one is, if you still face that these kinds of problems are coming, then you need to clear the caches which is gathered by every most of the application. They are gathered by whenever you are using these applications. So all you need to do is go to your mobile setting, and in your mobile setting you will find an option of apps. In the app section you will also find an option of storage use. So in that particular option you need to just clear the caches, not the data. There are two options which you can do: clear caches and second, clear data. So if you are clearing the data, what will happen? If you are clearing the data of WhatsApp application, it will show you 2 GB, 3 GB or so much data gathered in that particular application. But if you clear the data, then you will lose all the information related with that particular application. That means if you have WhatsApp library where there are photos, videos, and there are documents available as well, these will automatically deleted. So I will never recommend to go for the clearing of data. Instead, you can do one thing, that always declutter your mobile at your own space whenever you have time, and make it a habit that whatever information you are collecting in your device, you will be also filtering that information in which a phase, like whatever is required for you and whatever is not required. Okay, this is the way you are going to filter the information. So this is the second possible solution in that case, where you're going to just clear the cache, not the data. Okay, and then restart your phone. You will see the performance change and improve. Okay, now what will be the third solution? The third solution in this condition is, if after applying all these things, or if you are like a device, sorry, application is hanged and it is not working at all you need to do is uninstall that particular application from your phone and reinstall that application. You need to do only then so you need to apply this solution only when you have the login credential with you. Like suppose if you are having problem with Facebook and you want to uninstall the Facebook, then you should remember the ID password. Because if you didn't remember the ID password and you are uninstalling that particular application, what will happen? Once you reinstall, again downloading that application on your phone, it will require credentials. So keeping in mind that, you can uninstall a particular application and then reinstall. Always have your all application which you are using as, as a login you authenticated users account. So it will give you whatever updates the developers are sending, they will be automatically received by you as well. Okay, so these are the three possible solutions in this situation you can apply. So try them, and if you found it valuable, then please give us a feedback by directly writing to us through a DM, or you can do one more thing, that we have a separate VIP community for all the digital creators who are building their digital life. So if you are someone who also wants to create an impact on the world by creating your own digital life, uh, then you can join my community. This community is only for women digital creators, and there we help other women to learn, explore, and implement the knowledge which they already have. All right, so the link to join my VIP community will be given in the description. Whoever is interested, kindly join the community, and we'll go let you go through a process, and then we will interact for all the important is required to create your own digital life. All right. So, with this note, we are going to end today's live session. Thank you so much for joining us. We will come back again on Monday, 5 p.m., with another topic. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.